okonomiyaki. I bought a silicone pot at a bookstore. It came in a book-like box. It comes with a recipe book. It's very cool that if you open the book, here we go. It's a deep pot. I'm going to use this silicone pot to make my okonomiyaki, but you can use any kind of deep microwavable container which you can steam layers of vegetables, so I hope you can try out. For this recipe, you need following ingredients. Peel the yam and cut into half so that you can easily hold to grate. Put the yam in a large bowl. 2 tablespoons of flour, 3 grams of katsuobushi, bonito flakes, 1 egg. Mix them together. 100 grams of shredded cabbage, 2 tablespoons of tenkasu, and then again mix well. Use a deep microwavable dish or container. Spread 1/3 of mixture in a thin layer, and then place 1/3 of thinly sliced pork on top. Repeat the steps for 2 more times. And then cover the pot. Microwave for 10 minutes at 500 watts. Depending on the heat of the microwave, cooking time may differ. When you uncover, be careful as the steam and the water are very hot. Top with mayonnaise, okonomiyaki sauce, sprinkle katsuobushi, bonito flakes, sprinkle aonori, green labor. And now it's ready to serve.
Through the storm we reach the shore. You give it all, but I want more.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.